Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change wallpaper on Opera GX. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open up your Opera browser on your PC and you'll be able to see an interface like this. Now in the left side menu bar of Opera, select the gear icon at the end of the list to open up the settings. Here you can tweak anything you want and personalize your web browser according to your preferences. Now, if you scroll down a bit, there's a whole selection dedicated to wallpaper in here. There are two ways you can access these settings. First one is by going over to settings, while the second one is direct and time saving. Now, you just have to simply go back to your home page and right click anywhere except website shortcuts. A small menu will appear in front of you. Here you just have to select the change wallpaper. After that, a sidebar search dedicated to wallpaper will open up in split screen. You can change wallpapers from here, upload it from your PC, and download other free wallpapers from the browser store. Now to change the wallpaper, simply click on the preferred one and it will be changed automatically. And that's how you can change the wallpaper on Opera GX. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.